Welcome to our GAT Shield overview playlist. This is our overview of the dashboard section. The dashboard will provide a quick overview of user activity, allowing you to quickly view different metrics. You can also use filters to check for data collected between specific times, specific domains, organizational units, and groups. If you cannot see the different filtering options, please make sure to select the Filters button to toggle its visibility. For example, for the date range, I'll select between October 1st and today. I'll then choose the domain. It's important to note that you can view all of the available options for an entry by using the drop-down arrow next to the entry. Here we can see I have 28 alerts and 30 active users. By selecting alerts, I will be taken to the alerts section and shown those specific alerts. We will also be covering the alerts section in its own overview video in the GAT Shield playlist. Below that, you can see various charts detailing information. By default, it will show the website visits, time on websites, top users by time on sites, and top sites by time on sites. This can help you get a quick overview of activity across your domain. And by leveraging the org unit and groups into your filters, you can also get a quick idea of what sites your users are visiting most and spending the most time on. If you want to view other metrics, you can select the drop-down arrow for each field and select another metric. For example, you can view how many downloads took place over a period of time. You can also download an image of the graph or a CSV of its data using the download icon. You can also view the graph in full screen by using the full screen icon. That covers the dashboard. Our next video will be covering the My Domain section.